Special right triangles, step by step. First, the 45-45-90 triangle. Step 1. Draw a square. Give each side length 1. Step 2. Draw one diagonal. This splits the square into two identical triangles. Step 3. Look at one triangle. The corner of the square is 90 degrees. The diagonal cuts the other two corners in half, so each is 45 degrees. Step 4. The legs are both 1. By Pythagoras, 1 squared plus 1 squared equals the hypotenuse squared, so the hypotenuse is the square root of 2. Step 5. Therefore the sides are in the ratio 1 to 1 to square root of 2. Step 6. For the unit circle we want hypotenuse 1. Divide every side by square root of 2. Each leg becomes square root of 2 over 2. On the unit circle, that triangle sits at 45 degrees, cosine and sine are both square root of 2 over 2. Bonus, the 30-60-90 triangle, also step by step. Start with an equilateral triangle of side 2. All angles are 60 degrees. Drop an altitude to the base. It bisects the base into 1 and 1, and bisects the top angle into 2/30. One half is a 30-60-90 triangle, short leg 1, hypotenuse 2, and the long leg square root of 3 by Pythagoras. So the ratio is 1 to square root of 3 to 2. On the unit circle, divide by 2, 1 half, square root of 3 over 2, and 1. 2 constructions, square diagonal for 45-45-90, equilateral altitude for 30-60-90.